Right, so after a status check on the COVID preparedness, let's shift our focus to the protest taking place. Remember, today in Maharashtra, a resolution is likely to be passed, but there has been a delay twice, because of which protests now being conducted by the MVA leaders. And Aditya Thackeray leading this protest in Maharashtra. This is right outside the Maharashtra Assembly, the winter session going on in Nagpur. The MVA leaders have been criticizing Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, saying he has been going soft on the border controversy and have been demanding his resignation over a series of issues. My colleague Arunil Saradekar joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, what is the protest all about? Remember, every single day outside the assembly as well, we've seen some protests taking place from the MVA leaders.
Well, that is right, Pratibha. At present, I am outside the Nagpur Assembly. You can see these are the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders who are protesting over here. Aditya Thackeray, however, cannot be seen at present. He will be expected to reach here in some time. Very crucial day. And mainly, the protest is about the Maharashtra-Karnataka border row as well. The MBA leaders have been saying that not enough has been done from CM Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis's end, whereas Karnataka CM Mr. Bommai has been extremely aggressive and making very provocative statements according to them. Now Aditya Thackeray has joined the protest. Now this is a very unique style of protest. There is a Warkari Samaj, Warkari community in predominantly in western part of Maharashtra and in Marathwada region. They go for these pilgrimages. So this has been shown that these Mahavikas Aghadi leaders are going on a pilgrimage against the injustice meted out by the present Maharashtra government. They are also protesting against the alleged corruption by two senior Maharashtra ministers. One is Sanjay Rathod, another is Abdul Sattar. Both ministers are from CM Eknath Shinde camp. So one thing that has been noticed particularly is that from the Mahavikas Aghadi, the main target in this session has been the CM Shinde camp, their 40 MLAs. Not much of the BJP. They have been mainly complaining about corruption from these ministers in the CM Shinde camp, and also saying that the CM has not done enough when it comes to solving the Maharashtra-Karnataka border row, speaking vociferously about it. You can see how the protest has been held. This is a very unique style of protest that I was mentioning earlier as well. This is how the Warkaris go on their pilgrimage in rural parts of western Maharashtra and in Marathwada region. It's a very famous event, and that is how Aditya Thackeray and the other leaders are protesting here as well. Some of the senior leaders, if one has to look at it, there is Aditya Thackeray, there is Dhananjay Munde, there is Rohit Pawar. All these leaders are protesting. Here you can see this is another type of protest where women particularly during these pilgrimage events do this fugdi. That's what it is called, and the MLAs are trying to do that. So they are trying to add more color today in their protest. They're trying their best to add color in their protest. You can see Ashok Chavan has also joined. Ashok Chavan has also joined in the protest. We spoke to him some time back. So he made some points, basically saying that what they expect in the resolution is that the ministers and the Chief Minister of Karnataka should also be mentioned in the resolution, because in their resolution in Karnataka, the ministers from Maharashtra and the CM has been mentioned. The BJP will not be wanting that, because the BJP will be trying to favor CM Bommai because there are elections lined up over there. But this is about Marathi pride. This is about the state of Maharashtra, which we have been fighting since 1955. That is what the leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi have been saying. Many of them are also pointing towards the fact that whenever there is an election across the state, it is Maharashtra particularly that is targeted. They basically gave example of the Bihar election, saying that Sushant Singh Rajput case was blown out of the proportion, and then CBI did not do much about it, but it was used for the Bihar polls by the BJP. Similarly, several projects from Maharashtra were moved to Gujarat during the Gujarat elections, and now again when the Karnataka elections are coming up, Belgaum issue or Belgavi issue has been purposely taken up by the BJP so that it benefits the BJP in the state of Karnataka. These are only the allegations of the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders. We won't be able to speak to them because there are bouncers over here. However, we'll try and get in a word from these leaders. We'll try and speak to. Okay, this is Rajesh Tope as well, former health minister of Maharashtra. We've been disallowed to speak to these leaders who are protesting over here. Aditya Thackeray leading the protest, beg your pardon, along with some of the other senior Mahavikas Aghadi leaders. Now Ajit Pawar can also be seen joining the protest along with Nana Patole, who is the Congress chief of Maharashtra.
Okay, all right. So the protests are continuing. What's expected for the rest of the day? Arunil, after these protests, today is a resolution expected. Do stay on with us. We have some reactions coming in. All right, Arunil, go ahead.
Well, Pratibha, that is right. You can see the protest continues. Every day we have been seeing these massive protests from the Mahavikas Aghadi for the first 2 to 3 days. We basically saw the BJP also protesting simultaneously, saying that there are no real issues that the Mahavikas Aghadi is protesting against, and that is why we also want to protest. That's what they had maintained. Now, BJP leaders cannot be seen in the premises at present, at least. Otherwise, we would have taken their reaction. These are the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders, and very colorful protest, initiative of a very colorful protest being taken by the MBA leaders. Every day they have been making slogans, chanting slogans or shouting at these stairs, but today they added color by enacting as the Warkari Samaj of Maharashtra when they go on a pilgrimage. They have been saying that these leaders are also going on a pilgrimage against the alleged corruption done by the Shinde ministers, CM Shinde ministers, and also the alleged inaction by CM Shinde and Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis in the border issue. What the leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi have been saying is that the BJP is responsible for this, and CM Shinde is put under immense pressure by the BJP central leadership. That is why there is no voice that can be heard. Yesterday we saw how Uddhav Thackeray was also here. That was the first time when he entered the premises of Vidhan Parishad. He is an MLC. Since the time he was forced to resign as CM, it was the first time when he entered. He basically took out an attack on CM Shinde, saying that he has no voice because the BJP has been putting pressure on him. They have also demanded that Belgavi should be declared as a union territory, a territory which is controlled by the central administration. These are their demands, and the opposition has taken a very aggressive route, not in the Vidhan Sabha or Vidhan Parishad, because there Jayant Patil, one of the senior NCP leaders, was suspended when he was speaking. And but mainly on the stairs, we have seen that they have taken a very aggressive route via different kinds of protests over here in Nagpur. There was Uddhav Thackeray who could be seen yesterday. Uddhav Thackeray took a closed-door meeting with his party workers yesterday, discussing about what should be the plan, and this seemed to be, this seemed to be the plan from the Mahavikas Aghadi, because a different kind of unique celebratory protest that they are holding, basically protesting against, according to them, the corruption that the CM Shinde Sarkar and his ministers have been indulging into, and all of them have basically joined in this protest now. Some senior leaders include Ajit Pawar, Nana Patole from the Congress party,
all right.
Aditya Thackeray leads from
so Arunil, the protests are